Let's see how it is to have a new baby today. We will have fun, so much fun, with her every day. My baby, so lovely, so lovely. Welcome to our family, welcome to our family. We love you, we love you. Our hearts are big, so big and wide. We have endless love inside, for you, for her, for everyone. Our love is never done. Come on now, it's bath time. Let's wash you in the bathtub, in the bathtub. We can help you wash you clean. Come on, little one, you can do it. Walk, Lisa, walk. She's doing it, she's walking. You are special, you always are. A baby sister doesn't take your place. You are loved in every space. My baby, time to eat, time to eat. Vegetables make you strong, vegetables make you strong. And feel good, feel so good. Oh, where is the baby? Here you are. You are growing every day, every day. We grow together side by side, with love and joy and family pride.